Traders, I'm looking at the DXY. Always looking at this at the beginning of the week or at the beginning of any session really for some clues in terms of dollar strength, where this might be heading, what the draw on liquidity is. This is clearly under pressure. I mean, we can see that. Lower highs, lower lows on the daily time frame. Today we're seeing a bit of a red candle here with a wick above. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart and get a bit closer to it. Clearly in a downtrend, guys, and we have this break of structure there, break of market structure, bearish. Right, so I'm looking for further downside. Okay, so it's traded back into this balance area. Distribution. Wow, I'd probably mark up this candle here. Resistance, but yeah, I mean, we're seeing some bearish momentum come into this. The only thing you've got to watch for on Mondays is potential for this to, and it's doing it. I'm just going to draw a candle, and I've done this before, pointed this out. This is a okay, potentially a bearish candle. So we look for the open, the run on liquidity, you know, and then a bearish candle for the day or the week. And I'm always looking at, if we go down to a 15-minute time frame, the day opens at midnight New York, so we could mark up midnight. Today is Monday, so midnight New York occurred right here. There it is. Right, so there's our midnight opening. In fact, we'll mark up the opening price, so midnight, and then we get New York opening price. That's it there. So you want to be a little bit careful on Monday. So this could be gearing up for a bullish day week. We don't know yet. I'll be watching this. I won't be trading the London session, but I will be watching this into the New York session tonight. What I really want to see with this, if this is going to be bearish, a bearish day or week, I really want to see a run on, and we're kind of getting it. We're getting this run on liquidity above here at the moment, but I kind of want to see more of a move north, you know, and then we get our trade for the, you know, our trend, if that makes any sense. So what we're looking at then is this candle that I marked up earlier. Just grab that, run on liquidity above. Hope this is all making sense. So consider this a bearish candle. We're looking for the open right here, the market opens, and then we see a run on liquidity, right, and then we get the trend. So I'm really wanting to see the open, run on liquidity occur, and then downside. All right, so that's sort of thing that I'm looking out for at the moment. Let me just get rid of some of these drawings. So I think, you know, the London session for me will be just a time to sit back and observe. We've got a break of market structure there. We do see a bit of a pullback, but I want to see a little bit more upside, I think. Something like this would get me interested. All right, so we see that, and then we start to see it break, come back, retest the New York opening price, something like that. I'm hoping that we see something like that. Now, look, this could occur today. It might even happen tomorrow. I don't know. But my bias is bearish more than anything. And again, like if we go out, have a look at the hourly time frame. Yeah. Right. So you can see with this, it's a head and shoulders type of pattern that we've got here. We're getting the break below. And let's just see if we see further downside. But just be careful. Right. We want to see it pull back up into... Well, on the hourly time frame, this is our distribution here. That's a bearish order block on the hourly right there. Bearish order block defined by the fact that we've got a displacement. This here, this thin candle directly after here, so it displaced, further displaced, and now we're seeing it grind back up, right? So yeah, I mean, let's see if we get a bit of continuation to the downside. That's what I'm looking for, and this is going to open up opportunities with the dollar pairs, with correlated and other pairs that are correlated and or inversely correlated with the dollar, right? So it's just a matter of waiting for this to play out and see if we get some bearish price action. And as always, to be continued. This will definitely open up some opportunities, right? So hang in there, guys. We want to see it make a move, and yeah, that's what I'm looking for. This is the DXY with that I hope you have a great day. Definitely leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.